Okay, so another one of the project I wanted to work on was having a logo with curved text, right? So to do that, one of the thing we can do is we can create a new graphic. Let's see, for this particular social media post, and here first thing we'll add is heading. Let's see, we add something like ink, right? I want to curve this particular text, right? So I will just select all, and we will try to find apps for this, right? You can do this with other options as well, but let's try to do this with one of the app, right? So here we have app like type wrap, curve text, right? So type curve is one. Here you can see curve text and type curve, so we can go with this. We'll open this, right? And here you see this is the type you can have, and see all the options. You can have something like this, right? Or just choose what you want to, right? Something like this. You always get that option in the app here, right? Okay, so we will go with something like this. You can again choose what we want to work with. Let's see, we want to use a better font. I will use this font. After that we will choose stroke, right? You can make this have some sort of shadow, then font weight, right? Then letter spacing. Okay, so the type of letters would make a difference, right? So what we will do, we will add some sort of a text here, right? Now we can add some sort of a spacing, right? Here you can see even moving to 5 would kind of do the justice. You can do offset, right? And notice we lost some. We deliver graphics all day. This sounds reasonable. Can even increase a bit more spacing, right? And there you see, can increase the font size and it would look better now. You can also choose how the style should be, right? So current styles I'm not happy with, so I will just pick this. Here you can see this is decent enough. Let's see how it adds. So it doesn't take our existing design, instead it will create its own. Here you can see it can continue to show us the default one, right? So this one is our default and this is the new one. So depending on the type of logo you're making, or maybe the graphics you are working with, you can adjust the curve here, right? So you may or may not like the size, you just have to change as you want, right? As you can see, if you have this like red sort of circular shape inside which you can add this particular type curve, right? So that also works. So this is making your text curve using Canva.